Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. We have here a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom house for sale. It is located in the upscale gated community of Spring Farm Estates, Montego Bay, and sits on 1.81 acres of land. The design speaks to easy living, with the dining room overlooking the spacious living room, which leads out to a large balcony overlooking the Caribbean Sea and bay. There is also a swimming pool as well as a full staff area. Adequate land space makes it easy to create additional space or add a guest house. The location of the property is ideal, being less than 5 minutes away from golf courses, shopping plazas, and beaches, and approximately 7 to 10 minutes from the international airport. Guys, let's take a look at this house, and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is US 1.2 million or Jamaican $184.6 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.